Welcome to Summit of episode 11. Who are you?
I'm in Stanley.
The king?
Yes.
So, what is happening? We have trouble.
We have trouble
How?
using the camera thing.
No, I meant, you mean who's attacking you? Something under
Bluebird.
me. Ouch. It's so weird. We must dig inside. There's something inside here. Ugh. 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 Ouch.
Let's make the noise and I'll squeeze in.
Yeah. They're not here. Let's see. Can we dig under you? No, I just heard something. I knew. Something is attacking Fishy. Right, King? Something's attacking. The blue bar ran away, didn't he? I am right here, you smart idiots! Oh yeah, I have black pupils. Oh, so there you are. Whoops! Ah! Oh wow, he landed. Well, that's it, and the end of this case. Wait. Arrested still. Where are you, idiot? Okay. This is the end of the show. Goodbye, King.
Goodbye.